Hi, I will take you through the setup of the SM32, a roof mount with telescoping stay bars. Here is what it looks like, fully installed. The equipment needed to assemble and install this mount is a drill with 5/16 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch tech driver bits, a level, roofing silicone, spanners, adjustable wrenches or suitable sockets with a driver bit for your drill, a pipe clamp or similar tool, and of course the mount itself. Please ensure appropriate personal protective equipment is used during your installation. This may include, but is not limited to, gloves, goggles, safety boots, and a harness when working at heights. The first step is to choose an appropriate roof installation location. This must be carefully inspected to ensure it is structurally sound and in good repair before installation. Please also ensure the roof location chosen is suitable for optimal signal and accepted by the customer before installation. After the installation location is chosen, first install the SM32 clevis bracket by removing any existing roof screws and applying roofing silicone to the penetration points. Penetrations should only be through the ridges of the roof sheeting. Seat the two cyclone washers and then fasten down the clevis bracket using the two type 17 65mm tech screws. Now install the two duo cleats. Make sure to install them where the stay bars are not extended beyond their maximum install length of 3.5 meters and with a minimum 70° and maximum 90° angle between the two stay bars. Remove any existing roof screws, apply roofing silicone to the penetration points, seat the two rubber washers, and then fasten down the duo cleat bracket using the two type 17 65mm tech screws. Repeat for the second duo cleat. Now, take the thinner end of the two stay bars and carefully bend the two flattened ends to a suitable angle for the roof pitch you're installing using an appropriate tool like an adjustable wrench. Repeat this for the other end so the top of the stay bar fits flush against the mast when connected. Remove the nut from the top of the duo cleat, seat the thinner end of the stay bar over the bolt head and loosely thread the nut back on, leaving it so the stay bar is free enough to lay down on the roof surface without leveraging the duo cleat. Repeat on the other side. Now seat the square tube mast holder into the clevis bracket and secure it using a 3-inch hex bolt with nut, flat washer and spring washer. Gently tighten into place. Then, using your spirit level, ensure the square tube is vertical and then secure it into place by drilling 4 self-tapping tech screws into the pre-piloted holes. Be careful not to over-drill the self-tapping screws, otherwise they could shear off in the thicker tube steel. Next, take your mast and, using a pipe clamp or similar support tool, clamp to the mast just below halfway. Now, fit the sliding stay bar holder by inserting it over the top of the mast and resting it on the support clamp you just fitted. There is a pre-drilled hole in the mast. The shorter end from this point is the top of the mast. Please install your antenna to the top of the mast and secure the cable to the mast no more than 450mm down from the top. Next, seat the bottom of the mast into the square tube mast holder, which will help support the mast during the stay bar attachment steps. While stabilizing the mast with one hand, lift one of the stay bars into place. Make sure the flattened ends have also been bent to a suitable angle to fit flush against the mast clamp surface if required, then attach to the mast using an M10 hex bolt and nut. Now lift the second stay bar into position and repeat. Tighten both mast clamp bolts securely into position. Now tighten and lock into place the M10 nuts on the top of the two duo cleats to secure the stay bar bases to the roof. Slide the stay bar holder tube up the mast above the pre-drilled hole point and install the remaining hex head bolt with nut, flat washer and spring washer. Gently tighten into place and let the sliding stay bar holder rest on top of this bolt. Using your level, adjust the mast so it is plumb. With the mast held in this position, drill the self-tapping tech screws into the overlapped section of the two stay bars using the pre-drilled points as pilot holes. There are 2 fastening points on each stay bar. Now the installation is nearly complete. All that is left to do is connect your antenna to your test instrument and rotate the mast to optimal signal alignment, and then lock off by drilling the supplied self-tapping tech screws into the pilot holes of the sliding stay bar holder and into the square mast base holder to lock the mast in position. The installation is now complete. For further information, please call 1-800-ARIEL or visit our website matchmaster.com.au. Thanks for watching.